I will repeat the question. Saurav, I am asking question in this way that nozzle has airflow with stagnation temperature and stagnation pressure of 200 Kelvin and 20 Pascal. What will be the choked temperature and pressure if atmospheric pressure is 5 Pascal? So, solution part, guys, first thing, note, choked and exit both are different issues. Okay, here we are asked to find out choked, guys, choked, right? So, we can find out that by using compressible flow equation. Either you use T naught by T 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square, or you use P naught by P. Here, new students can be confused. What is T naught and what is T? What is P naught and what is P? So guys, whenever naught is mentioned, like T naught, so this is going to be your total or stagnation temperature. And P naught is your total or stagnation pressure. What is stagnation? I have to explain to new students. And what is this P and what is this T? Taresh, can you say what is this T and what is this P? Okay, very good. They are static properties. So, Saurav, help me. How to find out static temperature here?